Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you this red and white gorgeous looking eye makeup, which is even perfect for a Valentine party eye makeup look too. So let me show you that how I did this eye makeup. As I have already done a heavy base makeup and also set my eyes for the eye makeup. Now from this palette, I will use this lightest red shadow, and by using a fluffy brush, I will apply it just over my crease line. Now I will take this darkest red shadow and with this fluffy brush, I will apply onto my crease line. And will also try to bring some of it over my upper portion of my eyelid. And the products I am going to use today, those I have already mentioned into my description box with the buying link. So if you want, then you may check them out. So this is how is it look. Now by taking this dark reddish pink type shadow, by the help of this small blending brush, I will apply it outer corner of my eyelid. Now for my lower lash line, I will again take that previous lightest red shadow, and with that fluffy brush, I will at first try to blend all over my crease line area with it. And then I will try to apply the same shadow under my lower lash line area. And here how's it look? Now I will apply the concealer over middle way of my eyelid. Now I will take a shimmery white shadow, and with a small blending brush I will apply over the 2/3 portion of that applied concealer. Now by taking the lightest red shadow, I will blend the white shimmery shadow at my crease line. I will take this red shimmery shadow, and with a fluffy brush I will apply on the remaining portion of that applied concealer. Now I will take that reddish pink shadow which I have already applied at the outer corner of my eyelid. With a tiny blending brush, I will apply it just under my lower lash line over that lightest red shadow. Now by taking a white shadow, I will cover the harsh line of that light red shadow from all over my lower eyebrow area. I will take this pigmented white shimmery shadow, and with this sharp head brush, I will highlight my inner corner, and even I will bring under halfway of my lower lash line. As this is so pigmented, that's why I will also apply it over my eyelid with a small blending brush to bring a more vibrant color of the white shadow. Now I will again blend it at my crease line. As now I will use this liquid white glitter. As this is so much pigmented, that's why I won't apply it directly on my lid. Rather than I will at first put some of it on my hand. Then by using a flat brush I will apply on my lid. I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I will take this e.l.f.'s gel liner and by using this tiny sharp brush, I will draw a wing liner on my upper lash line. Even I will apply this gel liner on my waterlines. So that's it. Now for a finishing touch, I will apply this silver liner at the lower inner corner of my eyelash. Next, I will apply this Maybelline's Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. Now I will put on these false eyelashes. And now again I will use that mascara to set my false eyelashes. Now I will take this NYX pencil liner and will fill up my upper liner gap which has formed due to the glue of the false eyelashes. So I'm now done with my today's eye makeup. And now for my lips, at first I will moisture them. Then by taking a red lip liner, I will draw my lips. And for my lips, I will apply this Wet n Wild matte liquid lipstick. My final look. So do let me know that what do you think about my red and white gorgeous looking eye makeup with this red lip. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.